Hello everyone. Welcome to my new video. My name is Arsalan and you are watching Kreateev Designs. In this video we are going to learn very important tool called Blend tool. So here we have some creation from Blend tool. On the right side we have a 3D look object. We will learn how we can create this type of graphics. Here we have a 3D look letter. And here we have also very amazing 3D effects letters which we can create by only using Blend tool. So let's start from the beginning. Draw a line. Make a copy and move it down. Now go to Object. Go down to Blend and select Make. So it blend all the lines. Select first line which we created by direct selection tool and change the color of it. See, it's also blending the colors. On the left side in Tool panel we have also a Blend tool. Double click on it for more settings of blend. By default it's set on smooth colors. Change it to specified steps. Right now blend using 254 steps, reduce it to 10. Now see, there are only 10 lines and we can see color blending. Again double click and this time we select specified distance. We can apply any distance between our objects. Let's say 10 points. Now make a rectangle and apply value of 10 points. Place it between two lines, so it's perfectly fixed between two lines. Delete it and move to next step. Blend tool also blends shapes. Means one shape to another shape with very smoothly. Let's create a rectangle and a circle and place them like this. Now select both of them and apply blend. Now see, our rectangle is going to down with converting to circle shape. Double click on setting and increase steps. Now apply fill. You can edit them later also like this. But make sure you are selecting first or last object from which you create blend by direct selection tool. Make another rectangle and circle. Apply blend. Increase steps and change color. Now draw a shape from any tool. I am going to use Paintbrush tool. Now select both of them. Go to Object, Blend, and this time we will select Replace Spline. Our blend is following our path. Reduce the size. Double click for settings. Increase steps. Now when you scale down it so it will affect on your shape. See, it's looking good. Double click on it. You can see two more commands. Align to page and align to path. If I select align to path, so our objects will follow correct direction of path. Let's reduce steps and apply it. See the changes when I pick align to page, so object are straight, not rotating with path direction. And when I pick align to path, so it's rotating according to path. So it's also a very helpful command when we use replace spline. Okay, now come to best part. Create a circle, make a copy and move it. Apply gradient on both of them. Select the right one and make it reverse from gradient panel. Go to Object and apply Blend. Again, create a shape. Select both of them and apply Replace Spline. Double-click on Blend tool and increase steps. Now here we have very nice creation. If you want to change settings, go to Blend and apply Reverse Spline. So it works same as we did in Gradient panel. Edit it. We can edit both our blend objects and our spline. There is one more option, like we can flip our spline. Go to Object, Blend and select Reverse Front to Back. Okay, now create some 3D look letters. Type here text. Change font. Make a copy and reduce size. Now change color. Select both of them and apply blend. Increase steps. Now select it and scale it down. So here we have a 3D look text. Select it and move it. It's showing top view. Move it up. Left side. Right side. You can place it where you feel good. Okay, now one more example of blend tool work. Type S here. Make a copy. Reduce it. Now press Ctrl-Alt-B shortkey for blend. Change color, both of them. Now select both of them and convert it to outline. Select and move it. See the result. Apply gradient on both of them. Increase steps. Move it slightly. Scale it. Apply other colors and see how it's look. That's all for Blend tool. I hope you found this helpful. If yes, so must like it and share it, and also drop your comments in comments section. And if you are new on my channel, so must subscribe and press bell icon for instant notification of new videos updates. Thank you for watching. See you in next video.